Question number 1. Which of the following is the fundamental law of any country which sets out the framework and principal functions of the various organs of the government? Option number C, Constitution. Question number 2. On which of the following dates does India celebrate its Constitution Day? Option number B, 26th November. Question number 3. Who wrote the original handwritten version of Indian Constitution? Option number B, Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada. Question number 4. When was the first Constituent Assembly election held in India? Option number B, 1946. Question number 5. Who among the following was elected as President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 6. Who among the following is called Father of Indian Constitution? Option number B, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question number 7. The Constitution Assembly of India was set up in which year? Option number C, 1946. Question number 8. In 1946, B.N. Rao was formally appointed as dash to the core drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Option number A, Constitutional Advisor. Question number 9. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly in the year? Option number B, 1949. Question number 10. When did the drafting committee publish the first draft of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, February 1948. Question number 11. Who among the following personalities was the chief draftsman of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the Indian Constitution? Option number C, S.N. Mukherjee. Question number 12. The Constitution of Free India must be framed without outside interference by a Constituent Assembly elected on the basis of adult franchises. Who made this statement? Option number B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 13. In which year did Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders draft a constitution for India? Option number B is the right answer, 1928. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a political philosophy of the Indian Constitution? Option number D, non-committal to building a common national identity. Question number 15. G.V. Mavalankar was the chairman of the dash of the Constituent Assembly of India. Option number B, Committee on the Functions of Legislation. Question number 16. Who among the following was not a Minister of Cabinet Mission Plan 1946? Not a minister. Option number B, Lord Wavell. 17. Which of the following words is not mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Option number C, Federalism. 18. All the dash countries likely to have a constitution. Option number B, Democratic. Question number 19. With reference to the Constituent Assembly, which of the following statements is correct? Option number B, the Constituent Assembly adopted the national anthem in January 1950. Question number 20. How many female members were part of the Constituent Assembly that framed the Constitution of India? Option number D, 15 is the correct answer. 21. Who among the following wrote in calligraphic style the Hindi version of the original Indian Constitution? Option number C, Vasant Krishna Vaidya is the right answer. 22. The Constituent Assembly was recognized by Section Dash of the Indian Independence Act 1947. Option number D, 8 surplus 1. 23. Who was the chairman of the House Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Chairman of the House Committee. Option number B is A is the right answer. Patavi Sitaramaya. 24. Alladi Krishna Shami Iyer was the chairman of the Dash of the Constituent Assembly of India. Option number A is the right answer. Credential Committee. 25. When was the 10th session of the Constituent Assembly held? Option number A, 6 to 17 October 1949. Question number 26. Who among the following became a part of the Constituent Assembly from Madras constituency in 1946? Option number A, Ammu Shaminathan is the correct answer. 27. The total membership of the Constituent Assembly was 389, of which dash were representatives of the princely states. Option number D, 93. Question number 28. In 1946, who among the following was made the interim president of the Indian Constitutional Assembly? Option number D, Sachindranath Sanyal. Sanyal is the right answer. 29. On the 26th January 1950, we are going to enter a life of contradictions. In politics, we will have equality, and in social and economic life, we will have inequality. To whom among the following leaders is the quote attributed? Option number C, B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 30. Who among the following warned his colleagues that the Constituent Assembly was British made and was walking the British plan as the British should like it to be walked out? Option number A, Somnath Lahiri. Question number 31. Who among the following was the last Governor General of India before the office was permanently abolished? Option number B is the correct answer. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari.